Welcome to the project recreating the construction process of the Burj Al Arab Super Hotel. In the next 11 minutes, we will rewind time, going from a perfect structure back to zero, and witness the entire process of creating this masterpiece from the empty sea surface. Phase 1. Reclamation of land. Creation of artificial islands. First barges carrying heavy equipment enter the waters off Dubai. Tens of thousands of cubic meters of sand are continuously deposited into the ocean by dredgers and trucks. From the vast expanse of water, the first artificial coastlines begin to take shape. The ground is gradually being leveled in preparation for a grand construction site at sea. To protect the island from rough waves, the system of breakwaters made of specially designed concrete blocks was established. Giant drills plunge deep into the seabed sand, beginning their quest for stability. Workers, the crane hook is secure, prepare to lift the precast concrete block. Supervising engineer, slowly, keep the cable balanced, don't let it sway.
Got it, it's set.
Workers
All right,
ready
set.
for
Clear
launch,
the block.
avoid the cable
Lift in.
route.
Watch your steps. Move it to the edge, slow and steady.
Engineers,
Down
lowering,
she goes.
touching the water.
Boom.
Excellent, secure position.
Yes, all right, we did it. All right, take the strain slowly now. Tension secure, boss. Okay, easy, hoist away.
Giant concrete pillars and steel pipes weighing tens of tons are continuously lowered into the sea. Each hydraulic hammer blow is a step in strengthening the foundation of the 321-meter tall tower that will later be built. Hundreds of friction piles have been successfully driven, creating a concrete forest submerged beneath the waves. The Larsen sheet pile system is driven around, forming a closed ring isolated from the seawater. Inside the ring, cranes and excavators work in perfect harmony to fill the core of the artificial island. The excavators are working at full capacity. The horseshoe shape of the island is now visible from above. The drilling rigs continue to drive piles deep into the sand layer. This is one of the most complex foundations in history.
Capacity meets the specifications for the raft foundation design.
Excellent. We are cleared to proceed.
A high-capacity pumping system sprays a mixture of sand and water to fill all the gaps. As the water recedes, the sand settles. The rollers begin to compact the surface, creating absolute rigidity. The roller crews work in formation, leveling the ground in preparation for the surface foundation construction phase. The wave-breaking armor made of honeycomb concrete blocks surrounding the island has been completed, defying any storm.
Slide it down, watch the edge. Hold it there. Okay, lower.
The viaduct connecting the island to the mainland has been paved, opening the way for vehicles carrying materials to access the construction. Underground, workers are meticulously assembling a complex system of filtration membranes and drainage pipes. Phase 2. Pouring the giant raft foundation's concrete base layer is leveled to create a clean construction surface. A thick waterproofing membrane is laid out. Workers use gas torches to heat weld the edges, ensuring a tight bond. Hundreds of workers weave the foundation's reinforcing steel mesh, tightly binding each steel bar to create a massive load-bearing frame. Engineer, check the ties again. Make sure the steel cage of the pile cap tightly hugs the protruding concrete pile heads.
Easy, easy.
All right, it's seated. Take the tension off the cable.
Concrete pumping for the raft foundation is continuous, day and night, to avoid creating construction joints that weaken the structure. Workers continuously rake and smooth the wet concrete surface. The triangular foundation is gradually hardening. A winding cooling water pipe system is pre-installed inside the reinforcement to dissipate the enormous amount of heat generated by the concrete. Specialized cutting machines cut expansion joints on the foundation surface, allowing the concrete block to naturally expand and contract with the desired temperature. Phase 3. Reaching the wall core, a central steel core frame begins to rise from the sturdy launching base. On the floor surfaces, workers thread pre-stressed cables through plastic conduits to prepare for tensioning, helping the floor withstand loads better. Batches of concrete are pumped upwards. The automated formwork system gradually lifts the building after each layer hardens. Using modern sliding technology, the two V-shaped concrete core towers rise day by day.
Okay, release the bindings. Let it go, let the wind take it. Pull it tight on your end.
Securing the clips now. A little higher on the left. Lift it up higher. All right, I've got the drill ready. Make sure it's aligned before we secure it. Pull that side tighter. Almost there, hold it steady.